Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share my page to the Artisan Journal Prompt 2024 hosted by Patti over at Life with Patti, and I'll have her link down below, and I'll have the hashtag in my title so you can go and check out everybody's creation for this week's prompt. So Patti is doing this open collaboration where she comes on every Saturday night. Anyway, I believe it's Sunday morning, and she comes on and gives us a prompt. We can create whatever we want. You don't have to do each and every page. All she asks is that you do an intro page to your journal, and you can start at editing prompt. You can I've been writing down all my prompts on this sheet of paper. So when we're done, I'm going to write down each prompt in my book. I should just do it now. But anyway, so this week's prompt is sweet treats. And I just did just one page because I have tons of paper left. But okay, so I did this, and I did it kind of wonky. Like normally you would read from left to right, but I put life is sweet with some really old SEI alphabet stickers. I'm trying to use up all my stickers that I have, and I add it to my book. Then I tore some paper from this paper pad from Joann's that I got on clearance, and I thought, we all do the sweet treats type of swaps and things like that, and these are good for birthday cards as well. But I just tore up some paper and I added to my book. Then I went through all my extra stickers that I had in my like scrap bin of stickers, and I came across some stickers that I like. These are the glittery cupcake stickers from Dollar Tree. Also, these two are from all the stickers are from Dollar Tree. And I love the shaker ice cream cone and the donuts. And then I have a pineapple because fruit is normally sweet. And this is one of my favorite fruits that I love. And these are some of the desserts that I love. Ice cream, cake, cupcakes are like one of my go-to favorites whenever I'm in the mood. So this week is Sweet Treats. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.